How to earn points on Shein. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open Shein app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into it. Then you want to tap on Me, that is on the bottom right corner. On the top of the screen you can see points. You want to go ahead and tap on it. Tap on Go Check In. As you do that, you will earn 1 point. So every time you check in, you will get 1 point every day. You can also earn points in Shein by sharing the products in this app to your friends. Now you want to go back by tapping on checking in, and then you want to go back again. Now tap on your username on the very top. After that, tap on Edit Profile. After it is loaded, you want to go ahead and tap on Preference. When you save your preferences and when you tap on Save, you will be earning some points. For example, let me choose my preference and then tap on Save. Now when I go back to check in, by going back and tapping on points, tap on Go Check In, you will see I have earned more points. So that is how you can earn points on Shein. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.